Go, hello! We're on an adventure! I have no clue where I'm going, but I was told it was Halloween related.
Yay! Alright, so we'll figure it out.
That's all I know.
Oh, I bet it's
There it is. Oh, it's going the wrong way! The train's going the wrong way! It's just gonna stop right there.
Yep.
Hello, Twain! Hey, it's waiting for me to get in? Twain? Twain? Huh. Hello, Twain. Choo. You gotta move. You gotta move. Toot. Oh, wait. Oh, look, there's somebody over there. Oh, that's cool. Twain. Okay, this guy's gotta switch it back now. You gotta switch it back. Okay, we're all good. We're all good now. Yay! Toot Twain. I'll tell you. I'll tell you when to turn after we fast it. All right, here we are, Kissimmee, Florida. We're in downtown Kissimmee-ish. All right, so I still have no clue where we're going. Yay!
Grand opening!
Oh, there it is. Grand opening. Grand opening. You gotta find a parking spot, yeah.
We're gonna go play with the spooky stuff.
So this is the Hollow Pumpkin. We just opened up today, April 2nd. This was a small business, handmade bags. The owner, she's come from New York, moved to Florida, and now she has her first store, which is awesome.
I love it. This is great.
I've been a part of her journey like the whole time, and it's just amazing to see how much it's grown, honestly.
Thank you.
What I just did was I took the cream base, the ice cream,
You made it cold.
and I added liquid nitrogen to it. They lowered the nitrogen to minus 320 degrees. And it freezes the ice cream.
Oh my god! And it's pink!
Anything else?
After them.
Where are you going, squirrel? Where are you going? Oh, he's gonna go in the flowers. You think he's gonna go up the tree? Think he's gonna go up the tree?
Yes.
Thinking about it. Thinking about it. You know you want to.
Oh, this is a huge
There he goes. You don't see him. You don't see the squirrel. He's hiding. Welcome to the Sunshine State! Yay! When April showers, they come your way. You know, April showers bring May flowers. Do you know what May flowers bring?
What?
Pilgrims. They bring pilgrims.
But I'm